Friends, in the previous video means in what is acid basis indicators and neutralization process, I ask you that why do the asteroid gets burned when they come in the contact of Earth's atmosphere? Friends, the answer is atmosphere has air, so an asteroid comes from the space, so there was no air, and quickly when asteroid enters in the atmosphere, it gets air in the front of it, so the air shrinks very quickly, and because of that, do you know one law that all the gases when they are shrink or when they are pushed with anything, they get heat up. Means in short, all the gases when they are shrink, they get heat up, and also this is same with the air. So and it gets shrinked with the asteroid. So also there was heat generated by the asteroid and air, so it get burned. And now we will move to this video. Friends, in today's video we will going to learn how to make a pyroscope. And what is pyroscope? So first you need to understand what is pyroscope and how do we use that and where do we use that. Pyroscope is a tool which is used in the places where we can see what is at the front, because our height is short or the place's height means the object's height is big. So you can also use this in the following example. See, if you are very short and if you are at the front you have a wall. So if you want to see what's above the wall or what's front of the wall, so you can use the pyroscope, and you can also see from that what's at the front of the wall and above of the wall. So you can use this pyroscope, and here what is I am having. See friends, pyroscope, and this is a working pyroscope, and in pyroscope there we need two mirrors and one box, but we need to adjust this mirror's angle very perfectly. So I will show you this after the couple of minutes later. But first, you need to understand where do we use these pyroscopes. Friends, in submarines also we use these pyroscopes because commandos also need to see what is at the above of the sea.
This is a pyroscope diagram, how it works.
Friends, so this was the picture which I shown you. This was made by me, and I think that you will be clear with how to use pyroscope and what is the important of it. So friends, in today's video I am not going to make anything, but I will just show you how I make the pyroscope, and I will at last I will give you the material which we need and the photos when we were making pyroscope. So friends, this is my pyroscope, and I had marked here from where to see, and wait, I will see you. Can you see my eye? I think you can. And for that, if you need proof, then I have laser. If I put this here, then you can see here there is one laser beam. So this is the proof that our pyroscope is working. So you can take the camera here. So friends, here I am having pyroscope. In this we need mirrors. So first mirror is here, then second one is here. I had stick this mirror like this. See, like this, and here like this. So when we will see from this side, the surrounding light of the object which we can see from this mirror is reflecting on the mirror and then reflecting on the first mirror, and then it's reflecting from the first mirror to our eye, and then we are getting object. So here how I was putting the laser like this, and like this I was putting the laser, and same I will put to you. coming to you on the camera lens. Friends, 1 minute. Yes. And here also there is laser, because the laser which is coming to you is reflecting from the camera lens here. See, when I am putting here, it's coming here. So this was how the pyroscope is working, and now I will tell you how I make the pyroscope from the first to last, means A to Z. Friends, first I took the measurement of the cardboard. I took 4 rectangular cardboards and 2 square cardboards, means square shape. And rectangular cardboards length is 24 and width is 5.5. And also square one is square shape cardboard is 5.5 by 5.5, means side is 5.5, and 4 sides of the rectangular is 24 by 5.5. So this was all I stick with the sellotape, and then here I take mirror, and this was full. The mirror was of the 5 centimeter. This was a square mirror. So I make here tension, because without gum also we can stick this by making here tension, means pressure. And also same here one. So afterwards then I stick here this paper and roll this. Then here I make here sellotape means I stick this with the sellotape, and here some designs. So when we will see from this, we will get this, and when we will see from this, we will get this. So this is all about the pyroscope, and now I will again show you how do it work. So friends, there is one advantage of pyroscope. It is, if you are in the crowded place and if you want to see what's in the front, so you can simply take the pyroscope and see from this, because this has a height, and if you see any object from the height, then you can see what's at the front and also what's at the back. So you can use this trick for you want to see if there is crowded place, and if you want to see what's at the front. And also in submarine this is only used, but there is one metal one. So, and the glasses of that are very big and round shape. So this was all about our today's video. If you think that the video should be loved, then press the like button and share our video to your friends, teachers, relatives, and everywhere on our social media. So stay tuned, stay happy, and today's question is really Earth revolving around the sun, or also sun is revolving at the little amount? Friends, this question's answer I will give you in the next video, and if you have any doubt, query, or any question, you can put in the comment box. I will absolutely try to answer it. And friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, then press the subscribe button on if it is red, and if it is grey, then check whether the bell is on all notification or not. Then if it is all done, then don't need to worry. You will get my latest video notification when I will post the video. So this was all today's, and if you follow my Instagram account and blogger account, because on blogger account I post my videos in the written form. So if you want to read my topic, then you can read instead of seeing the video. And also you can follow my Instagram account, because if you want to see my videos on the Instagram, then you can see, and there are my good thumbnails of the videos. My Instagram and blogger accounts link is in the description
We were
box.
adding
So
mirror.
stay tuned, stay happy. Bye bye.
Then adding yellow paper, and then designing with sketch pen.